So we are Karthik and Sahana. So Kiran was talking about the secret seed, right? So you know where you'll get that secret seed? Anybody can guess where you can get that secret seed? It's by having a coach. So when Kiran said that, that means he will be trying to coach you or mentor you during through the process of your doubts. So life coaching is your opportunity to move your life from good to great. So life coaching is your opportunity to move your life from good to great. So since childhood, if we take for the first 3 years, we've been taught so many good habits by our parents. So they were coaching us in starting the right habits. And almost 16 to 18 years in school, how many subjects, how many topics, how many things we learned during school? We were coached for something. Again, when we moved to college, we were still coached to design a career or see something that you want to do. See something down the lane for you in your life. And after that, we all get into a job, and we have a buddy who keeps training us, telling us this is what you need to do, this is the scenario, this is what you're going to get, this is how you need to face. So unknowingly, all of these people have actually been coaching us or mentoring us in the process of designing a great career. But how about our personal life? Do we have that person who is helping us to personally grow? That is very important. So Bhushan was talking about, and a couple of other speakers were talking about time management, and they were talking about accountability message. And I will tell you why it is important to have the right coach. So there are so many skills out in the market that we want to pursue and actually, become a specialist of, and we want to have people following us. That's our goal, right? I mean, like, we want to influence people. How do we influence people? We need to have the coach. I mean, that coach should know what you're actually thinking and what is even the minor and the major decision of your life. That coach should know. And by doing this increases the personality that we have. It increases confidence, and it also improves the way we perform, because this coach will help you stay positive, will see the unleashed potential of you. And also, to get access of such people, it's not easy. You have to pay a price because they are investing a lot of their time and energy with you. We did talk about PGP tracker a couple of weeks ago. So it's important for you to, track first, get to know yourself so you can go up to the coach and speak to them. So they say, right, you must never lie or hide things from a lawyer or a doctor. Now include coach also in that, because you cannot lie to them and expect something to work. So that's very important. And one thing that I really need to tell is the coach of, whatever they are going to give you, the amount of knowledge that they're going to pass it on to you is not just books, it's experience. And we all know that there is no greater teacher than experience. So when we see PIM, we have versatile coaches. You definitely can connect to one of them and sit with them. You will definitely see another side of you, and this will help you to perform better, and you'll shine more. So that's what I wanted to share.
Thank you, Sana. Thank you so much. I think it was amazing. I think importance of coach, not everyone understand until unless you feel the need, because because जब तक खुद को need पता नहीं चलता है, you really don't understand. I know if you have lost something in your life due to lack of proper mentorship or guidance or coaching, you will understand the importance. Same way the health. Until unless you lose your health, you don't understand the importance of health. जब कुछ life में खोते हैं ना, तब आता है कि अरे नहीं भाई अब तो चाहिए. And thank you so much, Sana, for highlighting that point. Great. And ऐसा नहीं कि I give the coach, I am something great. No, not at all. I am always connected with Vijay, and Vijay himself is connected with John C. Maxwell and Tony Robbins. And I don't know how many people he's connected with. So that gives me security that when I learn something from Vijay, and whatever experience, whatever learning he gives me and a lot of other coaches gives me, I pass it on and ask the right questions to you so that you can figure out your own life. So thank you so much, Sahana, for that. Great.